Alright, so in this video we'll be talking about child classes and method parameters. When we call a method that contains parameters, the arguments we place in our method call must match the parameter type. Similar to the previous exercise, polymorphism gives us a little more flexibility with the arguments we can use. Now, if we use a superclass reference as a method parameter, we can call the method using subclass reference arguments. For example, imagine the class Scary Story whose constructor takes in a reference to the monster class. So, class Scary Story, monster, string setting, and you have all of these. And in the main method, we use the reference of the class vampire. Right here, where is it? Vampire. As our argument, even though constructor requested an object of class monster. This is allowed because vampire is a subclass of the monster class. Now here's the task. Take a look at the code in the new file, Noodle Restaurant. Specifically, look at the order method to see what its parameter data type is. Noodle. Oh, that's cool. So instead of double int string, it's just using noodle. That's cool. Okay. And inside the main method, call the order method on customer one with faux as the argument. So let's call it on customer one dot order and choose faux as the argument. Voila. That is so cool. Now underneath the previous line of code, call the method on customer 2 with the ramen as the argument. So basically same thing. Customer 2 dot order ramen. And there you have it. So essentially we can create our own data types, if you will, through polymorphism. And yeah, so even this was not even used here, but we can still use it because it's polymorphism. That is actually insane. So yeah, that is gonna end the video. See you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day actually.